Everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on marketing emails on the application of Trello. We go to this app, then we click in this sign. Here we go to settings. After that we click on profile and visibility. Here in this page you will wait a moment. After that, here you will find in this window of Trello, you will find settings, and you will click. Then you will scrolling down until you find here manage email preferences. Here in this page you will scrolling down until you find privacy settings. Here we click in this sign, and then you can click yes, I am in, and then you can turn on here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.